me over, Libby.
No problem.
Oh, hey, this sleeve has reflectional symmetry because if you fold it, you see that the lines on them are exactly symmetrical. And you have more geometric art because this window is reflective symmetry. If you draw a line down the center, each side will be a mirror image.
Wow.
Oh, hey there. This glass has rotational symmetry because if you turn the glass 45 degrees each time, it'll have perfect symmetry because it adds up to 360.
Mel, are you done with your milk?
Yeah, I am, Libby.
Okay, let me just rinse it out. Oh, hey, look! The innermost petals of this sunflower is rotational symmetry. If you rotate the petals 18 degrees 20 times, it'll equal 360. This is an example of geometry in nature. The sand dollar flower is an example of rotational symmetry. When the flower is turned every 72 degrees 5 times, it is symmetrical. When you cut a strawberry in half, it's reflectional symmetry.
Libby's house is an example of reflectional symmetry because the windows are symmetrical if you draw a vertical line down Libby's face of her house, and the windows are an equal distance apart. Hey, this is geometric art because these knot designs interweave and lace out, appearing to look like a knot.
The snowflake on my leg is an example of rotational symmetry. If you turn 30 degrees 12 times, it will equal 360 degrees.
This wimplefish is an example of geometry in nature because if you drew a vertical line right down the middle of its face, it'd have reflectional symmetry.
Mel, look at my new earring.
Oh my god, is that rotational symmetry?
Actually, it's reflective symmetry because if you cut a line straight down the middle, each side will be a mirror image of each other.
Libby, look what I got at the flea market.
Oh, Dad, that's so cool. Did you know that this is actually reflective symmetry? The circle in the middle of the feather can be cut in half and each side is a mirror image of each other.
Why, it is. You're right.
Hey, this tissue box is an example of the tessellation because it has a repeating pattern of plane figures across a whole flat plane.
These bubbles are examples of rotational symmetry because they can be rotated infinitely many ways to get 360.
This picture frame is an example of reflectional symmetry because if you were to draw a line down the middle of the frame, each side would reflect.
This kiwi holds a natural mandala inside of it when it's cut. It's a mandala because geometric designs radiate from the center. Whew. Oh man, that was such a hard workout. But I'm so glad I'm done with my geometry project now. Oh, look! Another one! The outside of this gear is an example of rotational symmetry because if you turn it 4 times 90 degrees, it will equal 360. Geometry is everywhere.